welcome back to the deep dive. You're always trying to figure out how to make your sales process more efficient.
Yeah.
Well, get this. We're going to dive into the world of Chatgpt for sales emails today.
Okay.
We've got excerpts from a blog post.
Okay.
It's called How to Use Chatgpt for Sales Emails, and it's by Shreyan Mitha,
Okay.
who is the founder of Asambhav Solutions. They're all about AI solutions.
Oh, cool.
So let's jump right in.
Sounds like we're about to uncover some serious sales secrets.
Right. This blog post starts with a really intriguing idea.
Oh.
It says, imagine having an intelligent assistant who helps you write emails.
Okay.
That's exactly what ChatGPT offers.
Yeah.
Okay, that definitely got my attention.
Yeah.
Like, imagine ditching writer's block
Right.
and having an AI craft compelling sales emails for you.
Wow.
What are your initial thoughts on that?
It's a fascinating concept.
Yeah.
Especially, in sales where time is money.
Right.
The blog highlights some potential game changers.
Okay.
Think time saving, personalization at scale,
Yeah.
and maybe even a boost in those all-important response rates.
Yeah, those benefits sound almost too good to be true.
I know, right?
Let's break them down.
Okay.
The blog specifically mentions saving time, personalization,
Okay.
consistency,
Right.
reducing errors,
Yeah.
scalability, and improving response rates.
Wow.
For me, the personalization aspect is mind-blowing.
Yeah.
The blog gives an example of pulling details from your CRM,
Okay.
like a client's recent purchase,
Okay.
and then generating an email that says, "Hi, name, I saw you recently purchased product. Have you had a chance to try feature yet?"
Wow.
That level of personalization is impressive.
Yeah.
What kind of impact do you think these benefits could have for someone using ChatGPT in their sales process?
Imagine cutting down the hours spent on drafting individual emails.
Yeah,
That's huge.
huge.
It frees up more time to focus on building those crucial relationships and actually closing deals.
Right.
And that level of personalization. Yeah.
It's a complete game changer.
Yeah.
Tailoring your message to each recipient's specific needs and interests is bound to increase engagement
Right.
and hopefully lead to more responses. Not to mention,
Yeah.
having consistent, error-free messaging protects your brand's professional image.
It all sounds amazing,
Right.
but I know there has to be a catch.
Yeah,
The blog does mention some limitations.
you're right. It's not all sunshine and roses.
Right.
We need to be aware of the potential downsides, too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
For example, if you're not careful, the emails could sound generic
Yeah.
or lack that human touch,
Yeah.
especially if you're not specific enough with your instructions to ChatGPT.
Right.
The blog even warns about the risk of being flagged as spam.
Oh, no.
If you send out too many AI-generated emails,
Wow.
that's a serious concern.
Definitely a deal breaker.
Right.
So the question becomes,
Yeah.
how do we harness the power of ChatGPT while navigating these potential pitfalls? It all comes down to using ChatGPT strategically and responsibly.
Think of it as a collaboration.
Okay.
You're the director, guiding the AI with clear instructions,
Right.
reviewing its output,
Okay.
and ensuring it aligns with your brand's voice,
Yeah.
and of course, ethical considerations.
So it's more like having a super-powered writing assistant than a replacement for human salespeople.
Precisely.
Okay.
It's like having a research assistant
Right.
who can gather information, draft different options, and even suggest various tones of voice,
Wow.
all at lightning speed.
Yeah.
But you're still the one calling the shots,
Right.
adding that personal touch, and ensuring the final message resonates with your audience.
The blog calls this prompt engineering, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Think of it like giving directions.
Mhm.
The more specific and detailed your instructions to ChatGPT,
Yeah.
the better the results.
Okay.
For example, instead of just asking it to write a sales email,
Right.
you could provide details about the product,
Yeah.
the target audience, and the specific goal of the email.
Mm-hmm.
You can even give examples of the tone and style you're looking for.
So it's about learning how to communicate effectively with the AI.
Yeah.
The blog also has a tips section that emphasizes this,
Okay.
suggesting things like providing clear instructions, offering feedback, and constantly refining your approach.
It's a learning process for sure.
Right.
The more you work with ChatGPT, the better you'll understand its capabilities and limitations.
Okay.
And the more specific you are with your prompts,
Mm-hmm.
the more tailored and effective the output will be.
Okay, let's dive into some of those 15 practical ways the blog suggests using ChatGPT for sales emails.
Okay.
I was particularly intrigued by the idea of using it for research before even writing the email.
Yes.
Like, doing research on your leads
Right.
before you even start writing the email.
That's a fantastic application.
Yeah.
Imagine being able to quickly pull up detailed information about your prospects,
Yeah.
their interests, pain points, their company's recent news,
Yeah.
all before you even start writing.
Wow.
That kind of personalized insight can really make your outreach stand out.
It's like having a dedicated research team at your fingertips.
Yeah.
You can go from knowing next to nothing about a prospect to
Hmm.
having a treasure trove of information that can help you craft a truly targeted and engaging email.
It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Yeah.
ChatGPT can help you do just that.
Yeah.
The blog also talks about using ChatGPT to generate catchy introductions for cold emails.
Oh, absolutely.
Staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with a compelling opening line
Right.
can be a nightmare.
It can be a real game changer.
Yeah.
Think of it as a brainstorming partner that never runs out of ideas.
Okay.
ChatGPT can suggest different hooks,
Mm-hmm.
angles, or even personalized references that grab the reader's attention right from the start.
Right.
For example, it might suggest referencing a recent industry event the prospect attended,
Oh.
or a blog post they shared on social media. That's brilliant. I can see how that would make a cold email feel much more personal and relevant.
Right.
It takes it from a generic blast to something that feels tailor-made for the recipient.
Exactly. It's about cutting through the noise and making a genuine connection.
Mm-hmm.
And ChatGPT can help you do that in a way that feels authentic and engaging.
Yeah.
Another practical use case the blog highlights is using ChatGPT to craft value propositions.
That's a crucial element of any sales message.
Yeah.
How can ChatGPT help salespeople nail that?
It can help you articulate the unique benefits of your product or service in a clear and compelling way.
Right.
You can ask ChatGPT to generate different variations of your value proposition, experiment with different phrasings, and test which ones resonate most with your target audience.
Okay.
It's like having a copywriting expert on call,
Right.
helping you refine your message and maximize its impact.
And all of this in a fraction of the time it would normally take.
Right.
It's incredible how AI is changing the game for salespeople. The blog also mentioned using ChatGPT to write feedback requests.
Oh, yeah.
That seems unexpected.
Yeah.
How does that work?
It's a clever way to use ChatGPT to gather valuable insights from your prospects.
Okay.
Imagine sending an email that asks, "We're always looking for ways to improve. Would you be willing to share your thoughts on specific feature or aspect of your product service?"
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT can help you craft these requests in a way that feels natural and encourages responses.
So it's not just about generating sales pitches. It's about using ChatGPT to facilitate ongoing communication and build stronger relationships with your prospects.
Absolutely. It's about using this technology to enhance your communication skills and deepen your understanding of your customers' needs.
That brings up another point from the blog.
Okay.
The importance of continuous learning when it comes to using ChatGPT effectively.
That's crucial.
Yeah.
The world of AI is constantly evolving, and ChatGPT is no exception.
Right.
New features are being added all the time, and it's up to us to stay informed and adapt our approaches accordingly.
It really feels like we're constantly learning and adapting in this age of AI.
Yeah.
It's not just about mastering the technical aspects of a tool like ChatGPT. It's about developing a whole new mindset for sales.
Absolutely. We're moving away from the old spray and pray method of mass emailing
Right.
and toward a much more targeted and personalized approach.
Yeah.
And tools like ChatGPT are key to making that transition.
It's like we're entering a new era of sales,
Right.
one where AI empowers us to connect with our customers on a deeper level.
Yeah.
But as with any powerful tool,
Right.
there's also a responsibility that comes with it, right?
You hit the nail on the head. We can't just unleash this technology without considering the potential consequences.
Right.
We need to be mindful of ethical considerations.
Yeah.
Ensure we're using AI responsibly, and always be prepared to adapt as the technology continues to evolve.
It's a balancing act for sure. And that's why resources like this blog post are so valuable.
Right.
They give us practical guidance and insights to help us navigate this new terrain and use these tools effectively and ethically.
I couldn't agree more. The more we learn about AI and its capabilities, the better equipped we'll be to harness its power for good.
Right.
And that's what's so exciting about this whole space.
Yeah.
There's a tremendous opportunity to use AI to improve our lives and our businesses if we approach it with the right mindset.
So to bring it all back, it seems like ChatGPT has the potential to truly revolutionize the way we approach sales emails.
Yeah.
It can save us time, personalize our messages, and even help us connect with our prospects in a more meaningful way.
Right.
But it's crucial to remember that it's a tool.
Yeah.
And like any tool, it requires skill strategy and a human touch to be truly effective.
Well said.
Hmm.
It's all about finding that sweet spot between human ingenuity and AI capabilities.
Yeah.
It's about embracing the future of sales
Mm.
while staying true to the core principles of building genuine relationships.
And on that note, I'd like to leave you with a question to ponder.
Okay.
If AI can already help us craft persuasive sales emails, what other aspects of communication will it transform in the coming years?
Wow.
And what does that mean for the future of human connection in a digital world? It's something to think about as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of AI. Thanks for joining us on The Deep Dive.